Right, so I've now got the dash cam in one of the cars, and as you can see, you've got the front dash cam and you've got the rear dash cam, which is looking at me talking to you guys, so you can see that. You can change the picture by if I come off this and I play with this, I believe here. No, let me try that one. Right, so you've got this one, this camera here, so you can see my little finger. So it's recording on 3 cameras basically. So it's really nice. I mean, obviously it's got to be wired in properly because it's in the wrong place, and the wire, you can't drive around with a wire like that, but I think it's great. Very nice quality, very easy to use menu, and obviously I've got it plugged into the cigarette lighter, but the cables are really long, as you can see, and the menu is just so simple to use. I'll sort of try to show you guys. You know what I mean? It's nice and easy to use. Look at that. Go back there. Time, auto power off, beep sounds, start up sounds, language, frequency, screensaver, formats, confirm. I never formatted the card. It's formatting the card, so it doesn't come with an SD card, but because it does loop recording, I've just put in a 32 gig, and that's fine. But very nice unit, and this moves. So obviously I'm doing this one-handed, but that tilts, as you can see, so you can get it in the right position, and it will record at night time and everything. So yeah, I definitely recommend it. I think it's good value, and it looks a nice little compact unit. That's it. So I mean, obviously I'm filming on a sunny day, but I'm trying to show you the quality, but I think the quality is pretty decent. So yeah, definitely recommend it. Thanks for watching the video. I'll put the Amazon link up to buy this.